Totalt vigtigt.
Okay. Now you can take a hit. So that's very good because now we are starting to hit. This was not hitting, this was receiving. So still, when you hit, be very relaxed. Just up. When I hit, I actually hit down now. It looks up, but it is down. Because I do like this, just take it down like this. Okay. So up, down. So we have the yin-yang effect in the punch. Up, down. And still very relaxed. I don't do like this. There's no power in that. Yeah.
Roger Rabbit.
Yeah. So, but still, he still have to think from within out. Always. But here I'm hitting. Yeah. Only like this. Don't use any kinetic force. Only. It's nothing. Okay. And then I can focus. It gets worse. I don't focus at all. I'm still very relaxed. So try this, and you can also put a little more in. So, still from 0 to 100, like that, same as the other one. So it's a very short punch. I don't use any space. I just do like this. So try do that. It's very easy. Just do it.
Just do it, yeah. No commercials here.
Yeah. And you can also put the energy if you want to play a little with the energy also. You can put it different places. You can put it in his behind so he goes down, or you can put it in the shoulders or in the knees.
Næs.
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 So, yeah. It's not a hard punch. It's only a what? So. Shoulder. Put it here. So try it, just don't hit too hard. Just easy.
Only full blast, please.
Oh, then I don't have to hit him. I just give him full blast. Without hitting. I'll not do that now. But very, and don't do like this. Just do like this. If you have an egg, small bird's egg in the hand. So if I do like this, have a small bird's egg, it cannot be crushed. So here, I'm very relaxed. Okay, try that.
Hvordan?